Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview above-ground large swimming pool. Let's enjoy the water fun in this round above-ground pool. The swimming pool are made of high-quality environmental protection PVC interlayer and harmless. The inflatable swimming pool suitable for the whole family to entertain in the swimming pool together. Just select a level surface, inflate the top ring, fill the pool with water, and you'll be splashing around in no time. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. Easy to assemble, no tools. Inbuilt with a drain plug at the bottom of swimming pool, drain water within several minutes. Walls the pool tear resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.